If Cumulative Preview Update KB5077241 is not installing on your Windows 11 PC, follow these steps. First, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find Windows Update. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start if available. Right-click on it and select Restart. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Now go to Settings arrow Windows Update, click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, then click Resume Updates, and try installing again. If the issue continues, in the Windows search bar, type CMD and click Command Prompt, then run the DISM Restore Health command. After both scans finish, restart your computer. Still not working? Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5077241. Download the correct file based on your Windows version and system type and install it manually. If the update still fails, go to Settings arrow Windows Update arrow. Advanced Options arrow Recovery and use Fix Problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows without losing your files. As a last option, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade while keeping your data. One of these methods should fix the problem. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.